The Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to be the most powerful phone thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Elite, also known as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. This is great news for Samsung, but it could also mean trouble for them in the future. A big report from South Korean media says Samsung is facing serious problems with making their own 3nm Exynos chips. This means that all Galaxy S25 models might use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip. There's also a chance they could use the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chip. Samsung has surprised everyone by using MediaTek's flagship chip for their Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra, which likely signals the end of Exynos chips in their top phones. Even Google is moving away from Samsung and partnering with TSMC for their upcoming Pixel 10 series next year. So, even though Samsung has clearly surpassed Apple thanks to Qualcomm and MediaTek, this isn't how they wanted things to turn out. Despite a special team working on a great Exynos chip, it looks like that will just remain a dream. We're entering a new era where Android is now ahead of Apple, thanks to the efforts of Qualcomm and MediaTek. It's going to be exciting. Plus, we can expect a fantastic camera upgrade on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If everything goes well, this will completely change the game. We'll talk about it soon. So in case you didn't know, apart from the ultra-wide-angle upgrade, there won't be any hardware changes on the Galaxy S25 Ultra compared to the S24 Ultra. However, there is one major change we've wanted for a long time. Samsung could finally beat Apple in video performance. This was first mentioned by IceUniverse. Now, the latest rumors confirm that Samsung is working hard to improve video performance on the upcoming Galaxy S25 series, especially the S25 Ultra. This phone will have a 200-megapixel sensor. If I had to guess, Samsung might introduce a night mode for video on the Galaxy S25 series. With the power of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and the 2nd-gen Galaxy AI, Samsung could greatly improve the camera experience. They might even do something like Google, but I hope all their AI features for the camera stay on the device. Speaking of Galaxy AI, just a reminder that some Galaxy AI features will be significant in 2025, as Samsung confirmed this during the announcement for the Tab S10 series and the S24 FE. Lastly, the software for the S25 Ultra, One UI 7.0, is in action. Sam Mobile has shared the first hands-on look at what Samsung has built. This confirms what we've already talked about, like the new control center and notification panel setup. There are revamped icons, smoother animations, and a new camera app layout. In fact, this is just the beginning, because Samsung has many new features planned for One UI 7.0 that we'll see very soon. The only catch is that we won't get the beta update until December of this year, so things have been delayed. The reason for this is that Samsung is working hard to optimize their UI to make sure we have the best and smoothest experience possible. With One UI 7.0, the S24 series will be completely transformed. I can't wait to see all the new features Samsung is planning for 2025. Let me know what you think about the likely end of Exynos processors in flagship phones. I'll see you all next time. Peace out.
And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.